if the tangent at any point, again we need to find tangent. First you can write let P x1 y1 be a point on curve. So that becomes x1 for n into y1 for n is a for n plus n. That will be equation 1 like previous question. Next we have given, again we need to write down the curve x power n into y power n equals to a power n plus n. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, d by dx of x power n y power n d by dx of a power n plus n. This is UV form. U d by dx of v. See, numbers are not there to take out, so we have to consider that can be UV v d by dx of u equals to
m plus n 0 variable.
No variables are there, only constant. Na? So constant is 0, differentiation of constant. Here x power m into derivative of y power n into y power n minus 1. Because we are differentiating y, we will get dy by dx. Y power n into derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1 equals to 0. Now dy by dx term we have to consider on left side. Then this value is taken to right side. Now dy by dx equals to minus y power n m into x power n minus 1 divided by x power m into n into y power n minus 1. Now we have to simplify that. How to simplify? Dy by dx equals to minus y power n m into x power m into x power minus 1. Then x power m into n into y power n into y power minus 1. Y power n cancelled, x power m cancelled. Whatever remains, we write that. N into y inverse. Minus n into y inverse comes this. Y becomes in the numerator and x inverse comes to the denominator. It becomes x. X power 1, y power 1 suppose. This is dy by dx. Once we got dy by dx, what we'll do?
M is equal to M is equal
What happened? M by 1 by n x1. Okay. We got m value. We need tangent. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equals to m is minus n y1 by n x1 into x minus x1. As usual, what we used to do? Multiplying this one n y x1 minus n y1 x1 or x1 y1 minus n x y1 minus into minus plus n x1 y1. Now negative terms on left side. This x content value will take here plus m x y1. Already this value is plus n by x1 equals to what is given on right side? m x1 y1 n x1 y1 whatever. Now we have x1 y1 common on right side. x1 y1 common n plus n. We need coordinates of a and b. To get a and b, we need right side 1. So what we will do? x1 y1 n plus n divide to first one. So divide the value of right side to second one and the value itself. x1 y1 n plus n. This we will do in order to get 1 on right side. Now whatever cancellation possible we can do this. x1 is cancelled. Now we need x in the numerator. Okay. So we'll write x here by whatever there in denominator, x1 into m plus n divided by this numerator value m comes here plus y divided by
Why we are doing this?
y1 into, I'll show you that, m plus n divided by whatever multiple goes to the denominator equals to 1. Suppose we have 3x by 4. I want x in the numerator, other value I have to remove. Where we should send that value? To the denominator of the denominator. If I reverse that one, what I will get? Same thing. 4 by 3 comes here, na? 3x by 4 only. Suppose 4y by 9 is there. I want y in the numerator. Where I can send this 4? Denominator of the denominator. Got it? So why we need x here? X by a, y by b to get intercepts. See, we need x in the numerator. Right side we need 1. We got 1 on right side. We need x itself. So what is extra with x? M. We can set that m to here, denominator of denominator. We got two terms. So first is a. A is equals to intercept whatever given, comma 0. And b is equals to suppose a line is there. A P. A is this one, x1, y1. B is x2, y2. P is also x1, y1. Okay. We need AP is to PP. P divides AB. Ratio is, you can remember the formula. X minus x1 is to x2 minus x. Okay. Whenever P divides AB, you have to remember this formula. Whereas this is xy, this one is x1, y1, x2, y2. Don't get confused in this one. Where we have to take P divides AB. P contains x1, y1. So here wherever x is there, this is x1. Here also x is there, x1. Now that x1, y1, x2, y2 is there, na? X1 and x2 we have to take from points. X1, x2 from points, and this x1 we have to take as it is. Or we can do in one more way. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n equals to first value. Here x2, what is x2? M into 0 plus n into what is x1? N into x1 into m plus n by m plus n. Because we have mn here also in coefficients, that's why we will not use this formula. So indirectly, what formula I said you to use? X minus x1
Is x2 minus x.
this formula. In this formula what you have to do is, first you can write x minus x1 from this question. What is that x1? x1 into m plus n by n is to x2. x2 is 0 minus x. Now at the end, because we are using p as xy or x1, y1, so this one becomes x1 itself. In that way you can remember x1, x2 from a and b. After writing that, wherever x you find, make it x1. Now we have to take common. x1 common from left side. 1 minus m plus n by m equals to minus 1 x1. multiples cancelled, m one the m minus n divided by m. mm cancelled, minus n is to m one the n minus n, minus cancelled, n is to m. What is n is to m? P divides AB. AP is to PB we are finding. What we are finding? AP is to PB. Check once again. Is a constant now, you will not get any xy here. So we got constant value. Anywhere ratio is constant only. First of all, curve is given. In that curve you can substitute x1 y1. It is not used anywhere. Let it be. Then given curve we have differentiated. We got UV form. Then we got dy by dx. After dy by dx simplification, quite difficult. You can simplify this one. Take n. By taking n, wherever y and x, x1, y1 you have to take equation of tangent. That n value you have to substitute, cross multiply. Take negative numbers to left side. Here negative number there to right side. So we got positive equation. Then we need 1 on right side. How do we know 1 on right side? A and B are involved in this one. Whenever coordinate axis A and B are involved, we need to form this equation in intercept form. That means we need 1 on right side. To get 1 on right side, whatever given on right side, the whole value will be divided to left side both the terms and right side term. Then cancellation have been done. We need x in the numerator. Rest of these things sent to denominator of the denominator. You will get this intercept form. This is x by a plus y by b form actually. X by a plus y by b equals to 1 form, where a means a comma 0 is capital A, b means 0 comma b when point B. That is on coordinate axis we will get 2 points a and b. Once we got a and b points, take x1 y1 to first one, x2 y2 to second one, and write this one line. P divides AB, AP is to PB. This ratio you have to remember by heart. This one, x minus x1 is to x2 minus x. Don't do anything for x. Write it x as it is. This also x as it is. x1 and x2 you have to take from A and B. x1 y1, x2 y2. x1 is this value, b1, x2 is from B. Substitute that, and wherever you find x, take 1 1 to it. Take common, cancellation have been done. What is the answer for that one? N is to m. One of the most important question you have in this exercise. Copy down.